Does knee discomfort make it hard to stay active, exercise, or even stand for long periods? Hi, I'm Dr. Sanand Gochman, and at Abundant Health Physical Medicine in Davenport, Iowa, we're dedicated to finding solutions that address the root cause of your knee discomfort, not just the symptoms. Knee discomfort can be caused by many things: misalignment, cartilage wear, or inflammation. Whether it's from an old injury, arthritis, or just general wear and tear, it can make daily activities extremely challenging. It's a condition that affects people from all walks of life: active adults, those with past injuries, and honestly anyone experiencing joint strain. At Abundant Health Physical Medicine, we've developed our RenewKnee Protocol, designed to help relieve pain, improve joint function, and support long-term recovery. Step 1. It includes a detailed initial exam to locate the source of discomfort and dysfunction. Step 2. Utilizing protocols like our advanced Shockwave Therapy to increase blood flow, reduce inflammation, and stimulate healing. Step 3. Targeted knee decompression therapy to gently reduce pressure on the knee joint, supporting natural realignment and nourishment. Step 4. Utilizing red light therapy to support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Now, many patients have seen life-changing results, like Sarah, who just after 3 weeks was back to running pain-free, or Carla, who returned to gardening after just a few visits. If you're ready to take a step toward relief without relying on medication or surgery, we're here to help. Click the link below to claim your voucher for initial consultation, exam, and first treatment, all for over $100 off. This special offer won't last forever, so act now to start feeling better.